Good Monday morning to you. Meteorologist Vanessa Alonso here with your KQ2 digital forecast for social media and the web. This morning we are waking up to cloudy skies for the most part. During the overnight hours, we did have a disturbance that pushed through here that brought us some chances of a wintry mixed precipitation indicated by those blues to pink colors you are seeing on the satellite and radar, indicating snow, freezing rain or sleet. But not all of that reached the ground as our atmosphere has been pretty dry at the surface. We've been dealing with dew points throughout the morning in the 20s. So with that dry air mass in place, it has helped to keep that precipitation from reaching the ground. But still, roads are a little slick this morning due to the melting snow that we have had since yesterday, now that we're finally getting up to above freezing temperatures today. It is a different story though as you're heading down south into Springfield, Joplin, the I-44 corridor into St. Louis, as they have been dealing with the freezing rain since overnight. So road conditions are not the best the further south you go in Missouri. So if your travel plans for today do include into Joplin, Springfield, and St. Louis, please allow for some extra travel time and slow down on the roads. As we head into the day today, temperatures for the first time in like over a week will be above freezing for the first time at around 34, 35 degrees as we get into the afternoon. The clouds are going to stick around, but we're going to have those breezy southerly winds that's going to keep the warmer, quote unquote, air mass in place, but it's only going to get better from here on out temperature wise as we head into the rest of the work week, as the 40s will be making a comeback in the forecast. That is going to be above average of our average high of 37 degrees, but we're going to have to get through an unsettled next few days with our weather. So we already had round one of the precipitation pushed through overnight. Now most of that activity is going to be out to the east and to the south of us as we head into the day today. We have another disturbance pushing in from Oklahoma. That is going to be bringing us our next chances for precipitation as we head into tonight into Tuesday morning. Now, depending on those overnight lows, it's going to determine if it's a cold rain or another chance of a wintry mix. That is something that we're going to have to watch and keep you updated on. But notice this cold front on our surface map. This is going to be staying to the north as we head into the next 24 to 48 hours. So that's going to keep the warm air mass in place. So as we head into Wednesday, we're going to get another disturbance that this time around it's looking to be all rain, but it's going to be tonight into Tuesday morning. That's going to be the wild card we're going to have to play with. So the latest hour by hour forecast is showing temperatures by the afternoon hovering around that freezing mark of 32 degrees with those breezy southerly winds bring in that warmer air as we are still socked in with the clouds. Heading into the overnight hours and into your Tuesday morning, we're going to start seeing that precipitation start moving in, mostly in our southern counties and over the I-35 corridor as we head into Tuesday morning. But again, as you can see, those temperatures are just hovering around that 32-degree freezing mark. So again, depending on how the overnight lows play out, it's going to either be all rain signified by the green or that pink wintry mix. So that is something Chief Meteorologist Mike Braciano will have the latest coming up tonight on KQ2 News at 5, 6, and 10, so you don't want to miss that. And then as we head into Wednesday with that warmer air mass in place with those high temperatures set to get up to the upper 30s, 40 degrees by Wednesday, that third round is going to be all rain. So for today, we're going to be seeing those temperatures again top out around 35 degrees with cloudy skies with that breezy southerly wind. And then as we head into tonight, again, a chance of an all cold rain or a wintry mix depending on how those overnight lows play out. I'm going for right now an overnight low of 30 degrees, but we'll be watching things and keeping you updated. Look at the next 7 days. Once we get through Wednesday's rain, it's going to be drier with a mix of sun and clouds, a much needed break from an active weather pattern with those temperatures above average into the lower 40s. Overnight lows, upper 20s into the lower 30s. Have a great day and a great week, everyone.